What the is a patent and why do they matter anyway? Let's get into it.
Order in the court! Order in the court!
Welcome to Lash and Learn. My name is Sahara Lottie and I'm the founder and inventor of Lashify, the world's first patented DIY lash extension system. Today we're talking about patents. Why? Because Lashify's foundation is built on our patents. If I had $1 for every copycat that told me you can't patent lashes, I wouldn't need to sell lashes. I would be laying on a beach somewhere with nobody other than my bulldogs. A patent is legal proof that you own an invention. It gives you rights to the technology you created for a set period of time. That means that nobody else can legally make, market, or sell your invention without your permission. It is illegal. Why do patents even exist, you ask? A few reasons. Number one, to promote innovation. It incentivizes creators by letting them profit off your own idea before the copycats come in. Number two, to serve as legal proof. So when somebody comes in and steals your idea, you can actually do something about it. Guilty! And number three, to notify the world. That's why patented products come with markings. To notify the world, hey, this is taken. When you sell a patented product without a valid licensing agreement, it's not just a dupe. You're infringing on somebody else's property rights. Let me say it louder. Selling a patented product without a licensing agreement from the inventor is not just a dupe, it's theft. You own a piece of property, it's your property. Someone else comes in and they occupy your property. That's considered trespassing. If you come in and you make someone's patented product, it's trespassing. Illegal. People love saying that I'm gatekeeping DIY lash extensions. No, I'm not. I literally invented the entire category from beginning to end. Bonding, sealing, fusing, underlash. The world is obsessed with DIY lash extensions because of my inventions. Trust me, being a patent owner is not fun. Having to fight this hard to protect something you legally own is actually the opposite of fun. But patents are the only way for us to protect Lashify and to bring consistently high quality products to you. I get that people want to ride the success of DIY lash extensions. It's a phenomenal invention and has changed many, many people's lives. Once a patent expires, the technology becomes public domain and anybody can make it. And that's in 20 years. The whole point of the exclusivity period is to allow the patent owner to recoup their investment. I invested every last cent that I had. Fun fact, products you probably didn't know were once patented. Q-tips, Post-its, Velcro, cornflakes, even Wrigley chewing gum. That's why today you'll see tons of generic versions of these items, because once that patent expires, anybody can make them. It becomes fair game. So what's the takeaway?
You can't use Lashify's technology without a license. That's the law!
And don't forget to join us next time where we'll be discussing what is a Gossamer lash and what is not.
You're in contempt of court!